Hi viewers, my name is Sirisha. Welcome to my channel Dream Life Diaries. This channel is aimed at spreading awareness and helping everyone to lead fit and healthy lifestyle. Today I am going to show you a healthy iron and calcium rich recipe, peanut sesame chikki. Here are the ingredients required. Let's get into the preparation. To a kadai, add the peanuts and dry roast them for 5 minutes. Now take them out from the kadai. Cool them down and then remove the skin. Add the sesame seeds to the same kadai and dry roast them for 30 seconds. As the kadai is already hot, it shouldn't take much time. To the same kadai, add the jaggery and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Let the jaggery melt completely. Now turn off the flame and filter the jaggery syrup to remove any impurities. And wipe the kadai with a tissue paper to remove if there are any impurities. Now turn on the flame again and add the filtered jaggery syrup to the kadai. And cook it for 10 minutes on low flame until the syrup becomes thick. After 8 to 10 minutes, you can observe that the syrup has become thick and sticky. To check the readiness of the syrup, take some water in a plate or bowl and add some syrup to it. If it breaks this way, that means the syrup is ready. Otherwise, let it cook for some more time and keep checking every minute. To the syrup, add the cardamom powder, sesame seeds and the peanuts. I've removed the skin and split them into two. Mix it thoroughly and take it into a greased plate. Grease it with oil or ghee. Take another bowl with flat bottom and grease it and start spreading it this way. Take a knife, grease it again and cut the chikki into whatever shape you like. You're done. Keep it aside and let it cool down completely. To remove the chikki from the plate, you just have to tap it from the bottom and sides of the plate. Now you can break it into desired shape you want it. If you like the recipe, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Dream Life Diaries. And also watch my other videos on yogasanas, workouts, healthy food and juice recipes and home gardening. Thank you.